Treasurer Josh Frydenberg has this morning tested negative to coronavirus following a coughing fit in Parliament which forced him to get checked. Federal Finance Minister Matthias Cormann joins us now for more. Minister, thanks for your time this morning, and obviously a big relief that he's okay.
Yep, great to have Josh back. I mean, he clearly swallowed the wrong way, giving a long speech, and yeah, it's good that everything is okay.
You know what, though? I mean, it was a bad look yesterday because we're all being told if you're sick, don't go to work. It was very clearly a dry cough. He used his hand, he didn't use his elbow. He should have stayed at home yesterday, shouldn't he?
Well, no, he wasn't sick. I mean, all of us are perhaps a bit exhausted, but he certainly wasn't sick. I mean, he was feeling perfectly fine. I mean, he swallowed the wrong way and, needed to clear his throat. I mean, that can happen to the best of us. The proof is in the pudding. The test has come back negative.